Hello viewers, what I have here is a 1967 Chevy Camino die-cast car. In 1967, they made a little under 35,000 of these Chevy Camino with a V8 engine, 195 horsepower, 3-speed automatic transmission, and it weighed anywhere between 3,400 pounds to 3,600 pounds. 1967, this exact Camino would have cost you about $3,000. If you was to purchase one right now, it will cost you anywhere between $20,000 and $100,000. It's a beautiful black Chevy Camino. The back has the bars on the bed of the truck / car. Also, it has a payload of 650 pounds to 1,000 pounds. This is a beautiful Chevy Camino with a Camino name on the back of the car. Black rims with the silver around the rims, black tires. It looks like a 2-seater. It's a beautiful car. Front of the car, the lights, where you put the license plate. Front hood, windshield. This is what it looks like from the top. This is what it looks like from the driving side. It's a beautiful black Chevy Camino. This is what it looks like from the back. It's a Chevrolet in the rear door. This is what it looks like from the bed. This is the gas tank, I believe, right there where you put the gas. It's very nice. Like, share, comment, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know if you like a car just like this, which is considered a muscle car and a collectible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.